There's breaking news coming in. Two policemen and an army jawan injured in fresh gunfight between the security forces and terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch. The fresh encounter occurred when security forces took detained LET terrorist Zia Mustafa to Bhatta Durian for identification of terrorist hideout. During the search, terrorists again opened fire on the joint team of police and army personnel. Zia Mustafa also sustained injuries and he could not be extracted from the site due to heavy firing. It is learned that Zia was in touch with a highly trained and heavily armed terrorist group hiding in Rajouri Poonch area while being lodged in Kot Bhalwal Central Jail of Jammu. As per the officials, Zia managed a mobile phone and stayed in contact with the terrorists, explaining to them routes to enter Jammu and Kashmir. Kamaljeet is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Kamaljeet, if you could walk our viewers through the latest Jammu and Kashmir encounter. There are two policemen, one army jawan who have been injured in the fresh gunfight. What's going on as far as the situation in the valley is concerned? Because this is happening when the Home Minister is in the valley.
That's absolutely right. This particular encounter, which is an ongoing encounter, and remember, we saw in Dere Ki Gali, which is the DK Gali as well as Bimber Gali, there have been casualties earlier of the Indian Army, 5 earlier and subsequently 4. And today the number has gone up. This is a significant setback as far as the Indian Army is concerned. They have been managing to try and track down these heavily armed terrorists. But we also got information coming in that there may be a casualty even of a civilian in Shopian area. So both ways, the numbers going over a dozen, both civilians and security forces in the past 2 weeks. This gives a sign of an indication of how violence has escalated in the past few days. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired a high-level security meet yesterday. There was a direction coming in from him that there has to be a joint coordination. But this operation in Poonch is much more significant because, one, the Indian Army has been trying to track down these terrorists, and jointly with Jammu Kashmir Police, they managed to get hold of Zia, who was in contact with the Pakistani side. And that is why he was taken out. Zia Mustafa was taken out and taken to that hideout where there was a fresh exchange of fire. And it does seem like there has been an ambush-like situation where it does seem that the terrorists seem to be prepared when the security forces came in. And remember, at this point of time, the challenge is, especially in that particular forested area, as to how to get to them. Because remember, they have been surviving out in the cold for 2 weeks. So they would be down in terms of their ammunition, in terms of food and other material. And this is going to be a challenge as far as security forces are concerned. But meanwhile, a sad news coming in as far as the security forces are concerned, and they'll have to take this up as a challenge. And eventually, once they're hunted down, we will know as to who these real people are, because they seem to be very hardened, and a fresh group of infiltration which has come in from the Pakistan side.